How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through some trades I took today, kind of give you my thought process, what I saw. But before we get started, be sure that you're following me, okay? It helps me a lot when you hit that thumbs up button. But let's get right into this. First off, the trade I took was a simple resistance reject on SPX, okay? You could have traded this using SPX options, SPY options, or ES shorts. I was trading this using ES futures, okay? I was trading futures based off this level. I told Team Boy, I said, I'm looking for a short entry, 4,700 to 4,704 on ES. Now let's take a look at ES based off this level. I trade ES based off SPY and SPX levels often. So if you're new to my channel, kind of get used to that. They work well together. So right here's the entry we had on ES. 4739 was my exact fill, I believe so. Got in, caught this move down here. I got completely out of this trade at prior day close at 4732 area. Very nice gap. You're probably wondering, that doesn't look like a lot, right? But keep in mind, if you're trading ES, each 1 point move is $50 in profit per contract, okay? So that adds up quickly. I like to start trimming, selling around that 3 to 5 point range, okay, when I'm day trading, scalping. So it came down, got out, a nice reject off the SPX resistance, right? Now that showed me where our ES resistance was as well. Kind of made it clearer for me that 4741 was it. That was the resistance I was watching. So I told everyone I want to see a break above 4741 for longs, right? I knew where the resistance was. I knew there was a possibility that we rejected at 4704 on SPX once we broke above this. But, I was ready to manage my trade accordingly. What I like to see when I'm looking for a breakout, especially if you're watching like SPX, SPY, you want to see the bids get above that level, okay? You don't want to just see the ask above it, because the ask is above it, the bids below it, it's invalid, right? You need it for a clean break, you need the bids to be above it to confirm your breakout, okay? And you want to see aggressive buying. So this move here happened off a data drop at 10 a.m., but I had a buy order setting at 4742, picked it up, and never looked back. Very nice trade. I gave everyone this exact trade ideal inside Team Bull as well. Now, I told everyone else I'm getting out, right? We got strength. It didn't take us long to push up to here, right? We're starting to show strength. We're above prior day close, so we have some relative strength. I want to see a pullback for my last trade of the day. Now, if we look at SPX, so I wanted to see us pull back down to this 9 EMA. Now, this 4710, 4708 area for a long entry on ES. A lot of people took this with options, but again, I took this trading ES futures. We got in here, took a nice move up. I trimmed around 3 points on this, locking in profits. Last trade of the day, my next trim was at 4755. Came up, did not fill my order, came down. I stopped out at break even, what I entered the trade at. That way I wasn't giving back any of my profits. I was managing my trade, locking in them profits for the weekend. It worked out okay, but check this out. It came down, grabbed my order, right? My 4748 stop loss. Then it just went right up and when it filled my order, right? So we can look at this, be like, oh, I left money on the table. But that's okay. What's important is following your plan and practicing proper risk management. That's what's going to keep you winning long term, right? And that's all I have for today. Hope you all have an amazing weekend. I hope you use some of your time this weekend to get ahead in life. Put your spare time into learning high income skills. That's what it's all about. Multiple incomes is a way. But I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.